EagleRidge, trusted roofing experts in Salem, Utah. EagleRidge, a trusted roofing contractor in Salem, Utah, 84653, delivers top-quality residential and commercial roofing services to the surrounding areas. Known for our expertise and dedication to excellence, we offer a wide array of roofing solutions tailored to meet your needs. For residential properties, our services include new roof installations, roof repairs and maintenance, complete roof replacements, roof inspections, storm damage repairs. We also provide gutter installations and repairs, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, all types of shingle installation and maintenance, siding installation and repair, attic and roof ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal, sealing and caulking for improved energy efficiency and weatherproofing. For commercial properties, we specialize in roof installations and replacements, flat roof repair and installation, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and membrane roofing systems, roof coatings to extend roof life, preventative maintenance through our Peak Protection Plan. Our expertise also includes soffits and fascia services, siding installation and maintenance, ventilation solutions for commercial buildings, swamp cooler installations and removal, commercial grade sealing and caulking. At EagleRidge, we follow a proven 5-step process to ensure every project meets the highest standards. From a thorough inspection to a final walkthrough, our focus is on quality workmanship, premium materials, and exceptional customer service. Clients in Salem and beyond rely on EagleRidge for our professionalism, attention to detail, and clear communication. With years of experience and a reputation for outstanding results, we're here to handle all your roofing needs, big or small. Discover why homeowners and businesses trust EagleRidge for their roofing projects. Call us today at 801-784-1457. Utah's premier roofing and construction experts, proudly serving the Wasatch Front.